Hello and namaste. This is Noble Medical College, Biratnagar presents Quiz Mania 2012 in association with Islington College. बुटवल को फाइनल राउंड सम्म पुग्न सफल 3 सहभागी कलेजहरुको साथमा आज फेरि पनि हामी उपस्थित भएका छौं। सर्वप्रथम यिनै कलेजहरुको इन्ट्रोडक्सन।
Glorious Higher Secondary School, Oxford Higher Secondary School, Mani Mukunda Higher Secondary School.
बुटवल को फाइनल राउन्ड र फाइनल सम्म पुग्न सफल तीनै कलेजका प्रिन्सिपलहरु आज हाम्रो विशेष अतिथिको रूपमा हामीसँग हुनुहुन्छ। रूपन्देही हिसानका अध्यक्ष एवं मणि मुकुन्द कलेजका प्रिन्सिपल मिस्टर टुकबहादुर छेत्री। यसैगरी आज हामीसँग हुनुहुन्छ ग्लोरियस कलेजका प्रिन्सिपल मिस्टर पुष्प खिमिरे र सँगसँगै हामीसँग हुनुहुन्छ अक्सफोर्ड कलेजका प्रिन्सिपल मिस्टर दिवाकर रेग्मी। So let's begin the first round.
Each team shall be asked 2 direct questions. Each right answer gets 20 points if it is from the first team. For a past question, 10 points shall be awarded for the right answer. 20 seconds shall be given for the first team and only 5 seconds shall be given for the past question to answer. There shall be no deduction for the wrong answer in this round.
शिक्षा राउन्डको पहिलो प्रश्न जान्छ ग्लोरियसलाई। If the balance as per bank column of cash book and the passbook is different, then which statement is made to know the different?
Bank reconciliation statement.
This is the right answer. And now the second question of this round, and this goes to Oxford. Who discovered the atomic structure of atom?
Rutherford.
Sorry, this is not the right answer. Mani Mukunda, you've got 5 seconds to answer this question.
Albert Einstein.
Albert Einstein. This is also not the right answer. Glorious.
Christopher Dalton.
Complete answer is John Dalton. And now the third question of this round, and this goes to Mani Mukunda. How many students are admitted to BBA program every year in Nepal?
$900.
Glorious. You've got 5 seconds to answer this question.
600.
Oxford. About 15,000. That is too high. The right answer is approximately 5,000. So now the next question, and this also goes to Mani Mukunda. What do we call the process of extracting metal from its ore?
Metallurgy.
Metallurgy. This is the right answer. So Oxford, next question to you. What is the full form of EEC?
Electrocardiograph.
EEC, not ECG. So Glorious.
Pass.
प्रश्न जान्छ मणि मुकुन्दलाई।
Pass.
यसको सही जवाफ हो यूरोपियन इकोनॉमिक कम्युनिटी। And now the last and the final question of this round, and this goes to Glorious. What is called sudden changes in the gene?
Mutation.
Right answer. पहिलो राउन्ड शिक्षा राउन्डको समाप्ति सँगसँगै अब हामी प्रवेश गर्दैछौँ दोस्रो राउन्ड।
Each team shall be asked a question. 10 points shall be awarded to the correct answer given by the first team. For a past question, only 5 points shall be awarded. 20 seconds shall be given to the first team and only 5 seconds shall be given to the past question to answer. There shall be no deduction for the wrong answer in this round as well.
Next background को पहिलो प्रश्न Gloriousलाई. Which country has the second largest technical and scientific manpower in the world?
America.
This is not the right answer. Oxford.
China.
This is also not the right answer. Mani Mukunda.
Iran.
धेरै टाढा जानु पर्ने थिएन, यसको सही जवाफ हो इन्डिया। And now the second question of this round, this goes to Oxford. When did Nepal become the member of WTO?
2007 Vikram Samvat.
Mani Mukunda, you've got 5 seconds to answer this question.
Vikram Samvat 2047.
Vikram Sambat 2047. This is also not the right answer. Glorious.
विक्रम सम्मत 2054.
फेरि पनि यहाँहरुमध्ये कसैबाट यसको सही जवाफ आउन सकेन. सही जवाफ हो 2004 AD. The last and the final. This goes to which part of the earth has green sunset?
Antarctica.
This is the right answer. तेस्रो राउन्डमा प्रवेश गर्नुभन्दा अगाडि आफ्नो केही शब्दहरू राख्दिनु न म अनुरोध.
College Viratnagar and is same time very thankful to all the team members. Thank you very much.
र मिठो अन्यहरू राउन्ड यहाँहरूको स्कोर्स म एकचोटि स्मरण गराउन चाहन्छु. दुईवटा राउन्डहरू पश्चात टोलको फाउन्डमा कसले के कस्तो स्कोर्स प्राप्त गर्नुभएको छ त्यो त यहाँले थाहा पाइ नै सक्नु भएको छ. हामी कार्यक्रममा लिन गइरहेका छौं एउटा छोटो ब्रेक. ब्रेक पश्चात यहाँलाई फेरि पनि स्वागत गर्न चाहन्छौं. नोबल मेडिकल कलेज विराटनगर प्रेजेन्ट्स क्विजमेनिया 2012 इन एसोसिएसन विथ एक्सलिन्टन कलेज. वेल, अर्को राउन्ड रहेको छ.
The questions in this round are non-transferable. Altogether, 6 questions shall be asked. 20 seconds shall be allowed to answer. Each correct answer shall be awarded with 20 points and there shall be no deduction for the wrong answer.
करेक्ट राउन्डको पहिलो प्रश्न ग्लोरियसलाई. Who is the father of computer?
Charles Babbage.
Yes, this is the right answer. So now the next question to Oxford. What is the capital of Spain?
Venezuela.
The right answer is Madrid. And now the third question of this round. This goes to Mani Mukunda. Which is the third largest continent in the world? Which is the third largest continent in the world?
North America.
This is the right answer. अब यो राउन्डको चौथो प्रश्न पनि तपाईहरुको लागि नै. Which country of the world produces diamond in the large quantity?
South Africa.
South Africa, and this is absolutely a right answer. And now the next question, and this goes to Oxford. Where is the largest idol of Lord Vishnu situated?
Vishnumati.
So यहाँबाट यसको सही जवाफ आउन सकेन. यसको सही जवाफ हो Cambodia. And now the last and the final question of this round, and this goes to Glorious. What is the other name of Janaki Temple?
Lakha Mandir.
Naulakha Mandir. This is the right answer. Glorious बाट आएको यो सही जवाफ सँगसँगै करियर राउन्डको पनि समाप्ति यही भएको छ. अन्य राउन्डहरुमा प्रवेश गर्नुभन्दा अगाडि पुष्प सरलाई म आफ्नो केही शब्दहरु राख्दिन अनुरोध गर्न चाहन्छु.
नेपाल मुलुकभरिबाट राम्रा विद्यार्थीहरूको खोजी प्रतिभाहरूलाई सङ्कलन गरेर बेस्ट अफ द बेस्ट छानिएर जुन यो आयोजना गर्नुभएको छ यो अत्यन्त राम्रो लाग्यो मलाई.
Each team can select a question from platinum, gold and silver categories. 30 points for platinum correct answer, 20 points for gold correct answer and 10 points for the silver correct answer shall be awarded. For any wrong answer, the deduction shall be 50% of the value of the selected category. The question in this round are passable. They can be cashed with the same point and can be passed to the other team. There shall be only 3 questions in this round.
Gambling round ko पहिलो option Mani Mukundalai. So platinum, gold or silver?
सिल्भर
Silver अर्थात only 10 pointer question. यस प्रकार से तपाईहरुलाई. Which cost is also known as the labor cost? Which cost is the labor cost?
वेजेज
Not the right answer. Oxford, you want to carry this?
पास
Glorious.
पास
यसको सही जवाफ हो variable cost. So now Glorious. 10 pointer question Glorious को लागि यो रहेको छ. Who is known as father of economics?
एडम स्मिथ
Right answer. And now Oxford.
प्लाटिनियम
Finally, Oxford ले आएर platinum अर्थात 30 pointer question माग्नु भएको छ. So here is the question. In which type of business organization is liability limited? In which type of business organization is liability limited?
जोइन्ट स्टक कम्पनी
Joint stock company, and this is the right answer. निकै रमाइलो तरिकाले समाप्त भएको छ ग्याम्बलिङ राउन्ड र अब बाँकी रहेको छ स्पिड स्कोर राउन्ड. तर उक्त राउन्डमा प्रवेश गर्नुभन्दा अगाडि दिवाकर सरलाई आफ्नो केही शब्दहरू राखिदिनु न म अनुरोध गर्न चाहन्छु.
This quiz mania is an occasion, an opportunity of articulating students' potential. It shows here our students, they are not only bookworms, they are used to what is happening, what had happened around them. Although such programs, they are very scarce out of Kathmandu Valley, I wish its tremendous success.
यहाँहरूलाई फेरि पनि हार्दिक यहाँहरू अहिले बुटवलको राउन्ड र आज उहाँहरू मध्ये को काठमाडौँ जानुहुनेछ हामीसँग यसको निर्णय लिनेछ अबको यो राउन्डले. एकैछिन म यहाँहरूको स्कोर स्मरण गराउन चाहन्छु.
Seconds shall be allowed to each team for answering maximum 6 questions. 5 points shall be awarded for every correct answer and there is no deduction for the wrong answer.
Rapid fire को पहिलो सेट को प्रश्न Glorious लाई. What is the act of exchanging goods and services using money is called?
Purchase.
What will be the elasticity called? What is the full form of RD? Which was the host country Olympic Games in
China.
What is the unit of FPS system?
Pound.
The largest coffee growing. Glorious Prasad अब rapid fire को दो Oxford को लागि. In which all means are owed and private individuals for profit.
Sole inter
In economics, increase in the output of goods for a given period of time is called.
pass.
Which place is also known as the roof of the. How many strings does the violin have?
4.
How many Nepal in Rana period?
65.
What is the full form of GDP?
Gross domestic product.
Rapid fire round को अंतिम सेट को प्रश्न अब म राखी मुकुन्दलाई. What is the full form of GATT in
पास
The book known as Wealth of Nation was introduced by Adam Smith in which year? What is the national flower of Britain?
लोटस
Who won the Football World Cup 2006?
ब्राजिल
Air Biman belongs to which country?
इन्डिया
Rapid fire round यहाँ डिसिजन भइसकेको छ हामीसँग काठमाडौँ कुन टिम जाँदैछ भनेर Congrats with 8 बुटवलको फाइनल राउन्ड पार गर्दै काठमाडौँ पुग्न सफल भएको छ ग्लोरियस सो ग्लोरियस काठमाडौँ जानुभन्दा अगाडि के भन्न चाहनुहुन्छ तपाईहरु
यस रूपन्देही जिल्लामा ग्लोरियस कलेजबाट हामी काठमाडौँमा हुने जान पाएका छौं
All the best for your next level. अब अर्को शहरको ऑडिशन राउन्ड लिएर यहाँहरु समक्ष हामी उपस्थित हुनेछौं त्यतिजेलसम्मको लागि नमस्ते बाय बाय एन्ड टेक केयर